Yeah, so what were we doing yesterday, all of you?
Sir, activities.
You were doing an activity. Acha, yes. So what do you want to do in this period? Activity or new chapter? Or revision of a chapter?
Sir,
So we
activity.
want to start a new chapter.
Well,
Sir, activity.
तो हम activity कह रहे हैं.
Activity. Sir, activity.
Sir, activity. Sir, activity.
अरे वाह. चलो.
Activity.
Activity करते हैं, but
Activity.
there are only 4 students till now in the class. Activity 5 होगा. चलो विश्वा भास्कर आ गए. Vishwa Bhaskar कौन है? Is there a student in your class named Vishwa Bhaskar?
No, sir.
No. So ये तो शायद he is in class 10. उसका भाई होगा ये कोई. भाई या बहन जो भी है. Brother or sister. Vishwa Bhaskar. ऋषभ शुक्ला 004047 ये भी कोई है 004047
So this is the passcode of our meeting email.
This is the passcode of our meeting 004047
Yes, sir. I see in WhatsApp.
कौन बच्चा है जिसने अपना नाम ये लगा लिया
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. This is our passcode.
So do you all remember that method of finding a square?
Yes, sir.
है याद है
Sir, मुझे I know. So, but I have the confusion in the last one method.
Okay, the finding of a square of any two-digit number, that one.
Yes,
The
sir.
second one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will do questions on it today. I will explain that method again. Let's wait for 1 minute. Let's see if the students are joining. 1 minute. Okay.
Hello, sir. Are you here?
Yes, beta. Abhiyan, how are you?
Fine.
What are you doing?
Waiting.
Waiting. What do you want me to do? Activity or the new chapter?
Chapter.
Activity.
Activity.
Sir, you can show us Vedic maths.
The activity that we were doing yesterday, that was Vedic maths only. Those were the tricks of Vedic maths only. Do you know this?
Sir, any new trick?
And there are a lot of tricks in Vedic math.
So there are two tricks.
Okay, let's start. I don't think that much students are going to join now. Let's start. So first I will ask you one or two questions on the puzzle that we did today, the method that we did yesterday, yesterday. First one, Yada, do you know how to find the square of a number which ends with the digit 5? Yada hai aapko?
Sir, I know. Sir, I know.
Square of a number which ends with
Also no.
5. Okay. For example, can you tell me what is the square of 35? 35 square.
Sir,
100.
Sir, 1225.
2025.
1223. 25.
35 square. Okay. So first of all, 25 तो आएगा ही यहाँ पर. Then 3 को क्या करेंगे? 3 multiplied by
12.
4
4.
करेंगे.
Sorry.
3 multiplied by 4. 3 के बाद next digit क्या आता है? 4 आता है. So the product of 3 and 4 is 12. So आप इन दोनों को combine करो. 1225. That means answer is 1220. This is the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we are doing activity.
Yes, beta. Okay, do you all remember this now?
Yes, sir.
Now, may I ask you questions on this now? You have to send your answers in the chat.
Sorry for being late.
Achha, beta, we are doing the activity that we did yesterday also. Yes.
You can mute all the students.
I will not mute you right now. If you will, I know that you all will not disturb the class, but you don't give your answers in the mic. Don't open your mic. Don't give your answers in the mic. Just give your answers in the chat box. Okay. Clear? All of you ready?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Okay. So give your answers in the chat box. My first question. Let's see who are the first 5. I will call out the names of the first 5. Okay. The first 5 students will get a WhatsApp chocolate from me. Okay. Yesterday I gave Dairy Milk Silpapli. Today I will give Dairy Milk Nutcracker. Okay. Nutcracker अच्छी लगती है? कौन सी अच्छी होती है?
Sir, Kit Kat.
Kit Kat. Okay.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा चलिए Kit Kat. लेकिन WhatsApp वाली. ठीक है. So question is 65 square. Write your answer in the chat box. 65 square.
फिर तेरे को ही
Sir, I have sent the answer.
तेरे को यहाँ बैठा ले कर दूंगा। छू।
Yes, give your answers quickly.
Sir, I have sent it the answer.
Very good, very good, very good.
Sir, I also sent it the answer.
Yeah. So till now I have got only 3 answers. और मैं तो top 5 के नाम बोलने वाला हूँ. यहाँ तो 3 answers आए हैं बस. What about the others?
Sir, many students don't come in the yesterday's class, so they do not know the trick and how they do.
Okay. So how many of you don't know the trick? Abhiyan, do you know the trick? How to find the square of 65? Ansharya, Abhiyan, and Mohammad Hamza, Rishabh, Shukla, Shivesh. Sorry, beta.
I know.
You know? Abhiyan, what about you? Do you know the trick? Abhiyan is there or not? I think he has gone to the washroom.
Yes, sir.
You are there? Beta, you know the trick or not?
What, sir?
Do you know how to find the square of 35, 65 square? Do you know how to find the square of 65?
No, sir.
You were not there in yesterday's class.
Sir, I forgot. It was very tough.
There was you were there in
Sir, it is
yesterday. Last
Sir,
week
it is
you were
very
there.
Sir, the 5 one is not very tough.
हाँ, ये तो बहुत easy है. चलो, let me tell you. The answer is 60. Answer of this question, 65 square, is 4,225, and the students who have given the right answer are first बताऊं या पहले third बताऊं? Third बता देता हूं पहले मैं. Third is Atulya Sharma, third position. Second, Bhakti Khandelwal, and first, Soham Agarwal. Very good. You all will get a WhatsApp chocolate from me. फिर बाद में आप लोग जब स्कूल खुलेंगे तो मुझे असली में चॉकलेट दे देना.
Sir, I have a real one chocolate.
Sorry? क्या वो बेटा?
Sir, I have real one chocolate. Big packets of chocolates, white and dark.
चलो, real chocolate.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Beta, Abhiyan and all the others, those who don't know how to find 65 square. First of all, what is the meaning of 65 square? इसका meaning होता है 65 multiplied by 65. 65 multiplied by 65. This is the meaning of 65 square. 65 raised to the power 2. Short में बोल देते हैं 65 square. 65 raised to the power 2. इसका meaning होता है you have to multiply 65 2 times. 65 को 2 बार multiply करना. Okay. So if you multiply with simple method से multiply करेंगे, you will take more time. 65 into 65. ये देखो मैं multiply करके दिखा रहा हूँ. 5 into 5 25. 2 32. 6 into 5 30. 3 39. 5 2 2 4. ये मैंने बहुत जल्दी करा है, उसके बाद 4225. So this is the long method of doing it. The simple method, which you all know. दोनों numbers को multiply कर लो. There is a trick also. Vedic maths वाली trick है ये. This is a trick which is used in Vedic mathematics. What is the trick? 65 is the number. 65 square. So whenever the last digit is 5, जब भी last digit 5 होती है, तो हमारा जो आंसर होता है उसमें आपकी जो last 2 digits होंगी वो क्या होंगी? 25 होंगी. The last 2 digits will always be 25. Now पहले क्या आएगा? 25 से पहले क्या आएगा? This you can decide with the help of the first digit. What is the first digit? 6. अब आपको क्या करना है? 6 के बाद what is the next number after 6? 6 के बाद next number क्या आता है? 7. तो 6 multiplied by 7
7.
what is the product? 42. 6 into 7 कितना होता है?
42.
42. So write 42 in your answer. 4225 answer. कितना easy है? 4225.
My voice is coming.
Yes. 35 square. 35 square देखिए लास्ट में 25. Now 3 into 4. 3 के बाद next digit क्या होता है? 4. So 3 into 4 क्या हुआ? 12. 1 2 2 5. Easy है. This is easy or this is easy? This method is easier or this method is easier?
Sir, this one.
This one is second
Can you
one.
multiply? Yes, sir. Second one.
So tell me another one, all of you. Write your answer in the chat box. I want everyone to give the answer now. अच्छा, ठीक है? Abhiyan, understood or not? Abhiyan, beta, understood?
Yes, sir. Please ask next question.
चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. You have to find the answer of 45 square. What is the value of 45 square? Give your answer in the chat box.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Sir, I have already sent.
Okay, I can see some of the answers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students have given the answer till now. Others, I am waiting for your answer. Hamza, Abhiyan, Rishabh Shukla, all of you, give your answers. Yes. तो क्या बताऊं? फर्स्ट बताऊं कौन है या सेकंड थर्ड सॉरी फोर्थ से स्टार्ट करूं? Because only
Fourth. Sir, fourth.
Sir, first.
Fourth.
Sir, first.
first. चलो फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट करते हैं. The first one to give the answer, correct answer. First of all, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is 2025 is the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Last two digits 25 and 4 के बाद next digit क्या आता है? 5 आता है. 4 into 5 कितना हो गया? 20.
I also written this.
20.
2025.
I have also written
This
this
is
answer.
the correct answer, 2025. And the first one to give the correct answer is Bhakti
Yes.
Khandelwal. Very good. Second is
Thank you, sir.
Atulya Sharma. Excellent. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
And Arya third.
Thank you, sir.
And Soham Agarwal fourth. Clapping. Wonderful. Okay. So one more question of the same type.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same
Yes,
type
sir.
का one more question. Then we will move on to the next type. Okay. Find the.
Okay,
I
sir.
want everyone to give the answer now. Okay, all of you. Doesn't matter if your answer is wrong. 85 square. 85.
85.
Yes. 85 multiplied by 85.
Sir, I have written the answer.
Sir, I also.
Mhm.
Sir, me.
जी, others.
Sir, now you can tell the score.
Sir, first you tell the correct answer.
Okay, the correct answer. First of all, I'm
So
waiting.
the correct answer is 7,225.
I was waiting for others to give the answers. अभियान has finally given an answer. चलो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा अभियान ने आंसर दिया. अभियान, चलो very good बेटा. At least you tried. Abhiyan, what can you explain what you have done here?
Sir, 85 by 85 multiply.
85 into 85. Multiply करना है ज़्यादा easy है या ये trick लगाना ज़्यादा easy है? What do you think? Are you using the trick or not? Or you are simply multiplying? Abhiyan.
Sir, please
Sir,
tell,
but it is
tell the first.
4,025.
Beta, Abhiyan, sorry, tell me again.
Sir, 8 multiplied by 5 equals to 40 and 5 multiplied by 5 equal to 25.
You are mixing two different methods here. I think you are mixing the method that you
Please tell
learned yesterday and the
who's the
method that,
first.
yeah. Beta, I'm just giving the ranking. Just wait. Abhiyan, you are mixing two different methods. Chalo, I'm doing.
I am not understanding these.
Beta, listen. It is very simple. Either you multiply 85 by 85, simple. 85 को 85 से multiply कर दो. First thing is this. Or the second thing is this small trick. What is the last digit? Only if the last digit is 5, you can use this method. Otherwise, this method you cannot use. Okay? Only in the case of
Okay, sir.
when the last digit is 5. So write the, if the last digit is 5, write the last two digits as 25. Last में 25 आएगा बस. अच्छा, और क्या है? Starting में क्या आएगा? Now, what is the first digit is? 8. 8 is the first digit. What is the
Yes,
number
sir.
after 8? 8 के बाद next number क्या आता है? 9. Counting में 8 के बाद क्या आता है? अभियान जल्दी बताओ, 9 आता है? So you multiply 8 and 9. कितना आया?
72.
72 लिख दो बस यहाँ पर. 7225. This is the answer. Abhiyan, understood or not? So this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
7,225 is the answer, and the first one to give the correct answer. Anji. Sorry. बेटा क्या कह रहे हो? First to give the correct answer is again Bhakti Khandelwal. Very
Thank
good.
you, sir.
Excellent. Second one to give the correct answer is again Atulya Sharma. Atulya Sharma again second. Excellent. Third
you,
one
sir.
to give the correct answer, the third student to give the correct answer is again Ansharya. Same order जा रहा है तो. And fourth one again Soham Agarwal. Excellent, both of you. Very good. Although there is a very small gap between you all. जैसे ही मतलब as soon as I give you the question, you all give the answers almost together. थोड़ा सा बस fraction of second का फर्क होता है. तो जैसे फर्स्ट आंसर है वैसे सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ सारे आंसर आ जाते हैं. So that difference is, I don't know why that difference is there. Okay, next question, 95 square. 95 square, write the answer in the chat box.
Sir, written.
Sir, I have sent it.
Sir, by the typing mistake, I have to rewrite the answer, so I get late.
Okay.
Sir, I also do the
But this is
mistake.
very
I also
simple.
write the answer.
Uh,
Sir, by mistake,
Sir,
I
this is very
click
simple.
7. By mistake, I click 7.
okay, बताऊं?
Sir, बता दीजिए.
So this time we have got only 4 answers, and one student who gave the answer earlier, his name is not there. I'm waiting for his answer. There is a new entry in the answers list. New name is there. बता
Sir,
दें.
I have also sent it.
अच्छा. ओहो.
Abhiyan got 1 number.
Okay, so the first, बता दें. May I tell?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the first one is, चलो very good. मोहम्मद हमजा has tried. थोड़ा सा कहीं गड़बड़ हो गई है मोहम्मद हमजा, कहीं पर देखो जरा चेक करो एक बार. Okay, so first one to give the
Sir,
correct
I can
answer
tell the correct answer.
is, हाँ मैं पहले correct answer बता दूं. The correct answer is 95 square is equal to 90.
9025. Sir, this is very simple.
Sir,
लास्ट में 25 and 9 into 10. 9 के बाद नेक्स्ट काउंटिंग में क्या आता है? 10 आता है. 9 into 10 90. 9 into 10 कितना होता है? 90 होता है. 90 925 9025 9025 is the answer. Okay. तो इस बार बहुत सारे नेम्स हैं. First is, I want to see you all celebrating also. Just switch on your videos, everyone. I want to see you all celebrating. हाँ जी, जरा celebration दिखाइएगा बढ़िया सा. Okay. First is Soham Agarwal. Let me see your celebration. Very good. Soham Agarwal first. Excellent. Second is Bhakti Khandelwal. Wow. Excellent. Third, switch on your videos, all of you. Third is Abhiyan Duhan. Abhiyan Duhan is not celebrating. He's not happy that he has given the correct answer. Are you happy, Abhiyan, or not? उसने तो वीडियो ही ऑफ कर लिया. शर्म के बाद. Abhiyan, you're not happy? Your answer is correct. Excellent. And fourth one. Ansharya. Ansharya is also not celebrating. शर्मा आ गए बच्चे. Ansh, you will not celebrate.
one is Atul. Sir, I do not come third also, so how can I celebrate?
No problem, beta. There is a very, very small difference between all the students. So here what I tell you that all the students, if someone is coming first, someone is coming second, third or fourth, there is no much difference because all the answers come together. It's
Sir, who comes fifth?
very, matlab the difference is of a fraction, not much difference. So you all are first. Those who are giving the correct answers, they all are first.
Sir, who comes fifth?
And the fifth one, Muhammad Hamza also gave the answer, but your answer is slightly wrong. So the fifth one is Atulya Sharma. Where is Atulya Sharma? Atulya Sharma has not switched on his video. Atulya Sharma video off करके celebrate कर रहा है. Okay, very good. So this is a trick which you all will find very useful when you go into your higher classes and when you give some competitive exams, some Olympiads. So these tricks will be very, very useful. What I am telling you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is why we are doing this. These tricks are there in Vedic mathematics. Okay.
Please tell one question again.
One more question.
Yes, sir, one more.
One more. चलो one more. थोड़ा सा difficult कर दें. Find the square of 125. Square of 125.
Sir, I sent the answer.
Don't tell me when you send the answers. Don't tell me. Okay. Because others are also listening. So this type of question I have given for the first time. This is a 3-digit number. So I am telling you the answer. अच्छा पहले मैं ranking बता दूं. First one is Bhakti Khandelwal. Correct answer. Very good. Don't tell the answer. Second is Ansharya. Ansharya आप तो celebrate कर दो. Second. Aha, very good. Ansharya is happy. And then बस बाकी 2-3 बच्चों ने आंसर दिए हैं, but their answers is wrong. Let me tell you how to do this. This is the first time I've given a 3-digit number, so no problem if your answer is wrong. See, you have to break this in 2 parts, 12 and 5. So 5 की वजह से the last 2 digits will be 25 because of 5. The last digit is 5, so last में 25 आएगा. Now 12. 12 into 13, 156. 15625 is the answer. 12 into 13. Got it? First 2 digits क्या है यहाँ पर?
Yes,
12.
sir.
12 multiplied by 13. 156, 156, 25. So
This is
15,200.
very simple.
Sorry, 15,625 is the answer. Got it, all of you?
सर मैंने 120
Yes, sir.
सर मैंने 25 की जगह 100 सुन लिया.
Okay, so I think the period is about to get over. Let's meet.
Bye-bye, sir.
Okay. Bye bye, all of you. Bye bye, sir. We will have an
Bye, sir.
I have an arrangement in the 5th period, I think. Maybe.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
These questions only.
You want to do these questions only?
Yes, sir.